Hello everyone, welcome to shawautomechanic.com. Today I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil maintenance light on this 2007 Honda Civic. It's a coupe, it's not a big deal. It's you can see here, put the car in a second position. Here is some button right here, press this one. You can see, press it, you can see, yeah, and that's 40%. Keep pressing this one, press it. You can see now. Okay, leave it, again hold it. Now you see, that's 100%. Okay, all the things you're gonna do is with this key. Keep put the car in second position, hold this one until the light is flashing right there. After that, and when it's flashing, off your finger from this button and keep pressing again until that's gonna getting like 100. Thank you. If you like more videos like this, please let me know below in the comments. Thank you.